The check constraint is used to limit the value range that can be placed in a column. So the check constraint, you can define it on a single column or a table. If you will define a check constraint on a single column, it allows only certain values for this column. So let us see an example to understand the concept. We are creating a table here. New table, create table employee, bracket, press enter. Here the first value we are adding is EMP int type, not null, comma, press enter. Now let's add another column. First name, varchar 255, comma, press enter. Last name. Now let's set the employee age. Let's set it as int because age is in int type, comma, press enter. Now we will set the constraint. Let's say we are setting constraint for age. So under bracket, set the age column greater than 20. That's fine. Now press enter, bracket, semicolon, and press enter again. Now you can see we have successfully created our table. Let's see the structure. DSC employee. Press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the structure of our table is visible, in which the employee ID is not null. We easily set the check constraint. Now let's try to insert some values and understand the concept of check constraint in a better way. So let's quickly add it. I hope you know to insert records we use insert into table name. Our table name is employee, same is visible here. Now let's set the column names, first name, last name, age, EMP age, bracket, press enter. Now let's type values and enter the values one by one. Let's say employee ID 1, first name Tom, last name Hanks, comma, int. Let's set the employee age to be 18, bracket, now semicolon, and press enter. Here you can notice that for int values we haven't set single quotes because single quotes is only required for string type, that is varchar. Semicolon, press enter. Now let's see what will happen. Here you can see the check constraint is violated because we have set here that you need to check while inserting records that employee age should be greater than 20. If you will try to insert values less than 20, the following error will be visible. So this is the usage of a constraint in MySQL. Now let's try to enter the values again. Now here I'll set it to 25, which is more than 18. So there won't be any error now. Press enter. Now you can see query OK, one refactory. That means we have successfully entered the value because it followed the constraint and entered the value more than 18. This constraint you can see here, which we entered while creating the table, we followed this and entered employee age more than 20. Now let's see the records of the table. We have added a single record, but still we can view it using select star. Press enter. Now you can see only one value is visible. There is no error because we have followed the constraint. We saw how we can create check constraint and work on it. So for employee age, we have set a constraint that while inserting the values, only the records for employee age greater than 20 should be allowed, else an error will be thrown, which we just saw, check constraint violated. And we enter the correct values, that is age greater than 18.